Welcome, friends. Today we are going to see engaging your children's brains, top educational apps for kids. So let's start. Over the last couple of decades, the education industry has undergone a huge transformation. With the arrival of apps, learning has become easily accessible, which makes it much more interesting for students of all ages. Educational apps now bridge the communication gap between not only parents and teachers but also kids and teachers. Childhood is important for learning, and because children become smarter and smarter, there is great need to introduce different advanced learning means and methods. In this video, let's throw some light on the top educational app for kids. Friends, we happily welcome you to the Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel. To get the best information first, subscribe to Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel, press the bell icon, like this video and share this video. So let's start. 1. Science 360. This is an app created by the National Science Foundation. It is exclusively built for tablet users only to showcase advanced science engineering news images and videos for children. All content available is authentic, high quality and updated every week. The content is also produced by the NSF or gathered from scientists and universities around the world. The cool 360-degree view allows kids to explore 3D images from every angle. The second app is Duolingo. When you are looking a simple way to make your kid learn a foreign language, Duolingo becomes as an one of the best options. This app offers learners a variety of languages including Spanish, Dutch, Danish, French, German, Italian, Irish, and even English, completely free to download and use. Duolingo doesn't have any hidden fees and the in-app purchases are kept optional. On the top of that, this app is incredibly effective and fun. 3. Dragon Box. Full of fun activities, the Dragon Box series is an educational game that teaches math fundamentals, making learning fun and interesting. There are 5 learning apps for learning math in total, including algebra and geometry. Some people take math very seriously. However, math can be fun for children if taught at a young age using simple concepts. All 5 games in the app require upfront payment but don't have in-app purchases charges. 4. Quick Maths. This app is also aimed at making kids familiar with numbers, imparting the general math skills of students in grades 2 to 6. Quick Maths is the best option for self improvement and increases kids' skills to tackle the difficulties and challenges of numbers. This app is available on the App Store. 5. YouTube Kids. Exclusively made and curated for kids, YouTube Kids offers educational videos and entertainment content to inspire and enhance young minds. It's one of the best learning app for kids out there as it offers them an easy way to watch their favorite shows. Moreover, they can explore anything that captures their imagination. This app is available for free use, simple to handle, and offers kids oriented and family friendly videos. 6. Class Dojo. Class Dojo is an interesting learning app for kids in the category virtual classroom learning apps. This app allows parents, students, and teachers to interact with each other. For instance, students can communicate with their teachers regarding their educational needs, and parents can stay up to date with their children's progress. This engages kids as they can get the required attention in order to get a better education. This app enriches the classroom experience without replacing it, and at the same time, it provides positive reinforcement and communication among teachers, learners, and parents. 7. Crossword puzzles, a great tool for smart kids. This app guarantees having fun. It supports many aspects of learning and helps children excel in school. Set your child up for success by encouraging them to use this application. 8. Flow Free. This puzzle game is interesting for both the adults kids. There are 2000 puzzles available for free. However, there is also addition purchase option for expansion packs. 9. Spelling stage. Kids may usually find spelling words difficult, but with this app they can be interested in spelling practice. The paid subscription offers a wide range of words for different age groups from preschoolers to adults. 10. My Molecularum, one of the most entertaining educational app. My Molecurium is designed so that high school students can study with a fresh mind. The fun games in this app encourages students to easily understand and learn chemistry concepts related to molecular structure, chemical formulas and skeletal formulas. Best for you. Mobile app development offers numerous benefits in the education industry. Students are more driven towards using a mobile phone for every purpose. Thus, apps is the perfect way to attract students to learn and enhance their skills. To get the best information first, subscribe to Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, like this video and share this video. Thank you very much.